Rustic industrial reclaimed wooden decor furniture and crafts have become one of the most transformative forces in modern interior design, reshaping the way people think about beauty, functionality, and the emotional meaning behind the objects they bring into their homes. In a world dominated by fast furniture, mass production, and fleeting trends, reclaimed wood stands out as a symbol of durability, soul, and authenticity, offering a design experience that feels deeply rooted in history while still harmonizing effortlessly with contemporary style. Welcome to Décor Ideas, your ultimate destination for stunning woodcraft and home decor inspiration. Here, every piece of wood tells a story, and every design brings nature's beauty into your home. Whether you're a passionate woodwork maker, a woodworking dreamer, or someone seeking timeless and eco-friendly decor, you're in the right place. Stay tuned until the end of this video to uncover creative ideas, inspiring transformations, and to see beautiful collection and get inspiration. Don't just decorate, create with purpose. Subscribe, watch, and let's craft something beautiful together. Each piece, whether it is a reclaimed wood coffee table with steel legs, a barnwood shelving unit with industrial brackets, or a handcrafted decor item made from old beams and weathered boards, carries a sense of story and resilience that instantly enriches the atmosphere of any room. The rustic industrial aesthetic blends the organic warmth of aged wood with the bold structure of metal, creating a balance between softness and strength that modern homeowners crave. As people move toward spaces that feel intentional, grounded, and expressive, reclaimed wood decor has emerged not just as a trend, but as a philosophy, one that celebrates imperfection, honors history, and embraces sustainability while elevating everyday living with timeless elegance. The significance of this movement goes far beyond aesthetics. Reclaimed wood, with its knots, grain variations, nail holes, and naturally weathered textures, brings an emotional dimension to modern interiors that new materials cannot replicate. It introduces character, warmth, and a sense of authenticity that makes a home feel lived in and loved, not just decorated. Each board may have come from an old farmhouse, a decades-old factory floor, a dismantled barn, or forgotten construction scraps, and when transformed into furniture or decor, it becomes a living archive of the past. This connection between what once was and what now is gives the furniture a narrative power that enriches the homeowner's relationship with their space. The industrial elements, steel frames, iron hardware, exposed bolts, matte finishes, add stability and contrast, creating an aesthetic that feels sophisticated yet accessible, rugged yet refined. This combination is especially influential in modern interiors where open layouts, neutral color palettes, and mixed materials are dominant, as reclaimed wood naturally becomes the anchor that brings warmth and grounding to otherwise sleek contemporary designs. Beyond the emotional and artistic value, reclaimed wooden decor also carries profound environmental significance. At a time when sustainability is no longer optional but essential, choosing furniture and crafts made from reclaimed materials becomes a meaningful act of responsibility. Every piece crafted from old wood reduces the demand for new timber, helping preserve forests, minimize waste, and lower the carbon footprint associated with harvesting, processing, and transporting fresh materials. Instead of filling landfills, discarded wood finds new life through skilled craftsmanship, proving that sustainability and beauty can coexist without compromise. For many homeowners, this eco-consciousness becomes part of the appeal, allowing them to fill their spaces with decor that not only looks stunning, but also aligns with their values. In an era where mindful living is increasingly celebrated, reclaimed wooden furniture stands as a symbol of thoughtful consumption, offering long-lasting, high-quality pieces that contribute to a healthier planet. For creators and aspiring entrepreneurs, the rise of rustic industrial reclaimed decor presents an exciting and profitable opportunity. Starting a business in this field does not require large capital investments or expensive materials, because reclaimed wood is widely accessible, found in old structures, salvage yards, renovation sites, marketplaces, and even dumpsters. The affordability of the raw materials, combined with the high market demand for custom, handcrafted, sustainable decor, makes this an ideal craft for artisans seeking both creative and financial fulfillment. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Whether crafting small decor items like candle holders, picture frames, wall art, or producing larger functional furniture like benches, dining tables, headboards, and shelving units, makers can carve out distinctive brands built on uniqueness, craftsmanship, and authenticity. Each piece carries the maker's signature, not just in the design, but in the way they rescue, restore, and transform wood that would have otherwise been lost. Customers love the idea of owning something one-of-a-kind, handmade, and environmentally conscious, which gives reclaimed wooden products a strong advantage in both online and local markets. The process of manufacturing reclaimed wood furniture also offers artisans a deeply rewarding experience, as they become storytellers, sustainability advocates, and creators all at once. There is a special kind of magic in working with wood that has lived a previous life, feeling its texture, uncovering the patterns the years have carved into it, and deciding how to preserve its character while giving it new purpose. This connection to the material fosters a sense of intention and artistry that mass-produced furniture simply cannot match. Every cut, every sanding stroke, every finish becomes part of a rebirth, turning weathered surfaces into breathtaking pieces that breathe warmth into any space. The industrial elements add structure and sophistication, allowing makers to experiment with contrasting materials, geometric shapes, and modern silhouettes while maintaining the rustic charm that reclaimed wood naturally embodies. The versatility of this style makes it suitable for nearly any interior, from urban lofts to farmhouse homes. From minimalist apartments to cozy studios, ensuring a broad customer base and endless creative possibilities. As the popularity of reclaimed rustic industrial decor continues to grow, its impact on modern interior design becomes even more profound. Homeowners and designers alike are embracing the idea that true luxury lies not in newness, but in meaning. A reclaimed wood dining table becomes the heart of a home, where meals are shared and memories are made. A repurposed barnwood sliding door becomes a sculptural statement that adds warmth and function. A reclaimed wood mantle transforms a living room into a cozy sanctuary. These pieces radiate a human touch that digital age metals and plastics lack, grounding homes in the tactile richness of natural materials. They remind people that beauty does not need to be flawless, it just needs to be honest. This philosophy resonates with modern lifestyles that seek comfort, authenticity, and a deeper connection to the materials around them. Ultimately, the significance of rustic industrial reclaimed wooden decor furniture lies in its ability to bring together creativity, sustainability, functionality, and emotional resonance in a way few design movements can. It empowers makers to turn discarded resources into breathtaking works of art and gives homeowners the chance to fill their spaces with pieces that reflect their personality, values, and appreciation for craftsmanship. It bridges the old and the new, the natural and the industrial, the functional and the artistic, creating a style that feels timeless yet innovative. For anyone looking to start manufacturing beautiful and breathtaking decorative and functional furniture, reclaimed wood offers an endless world of opportunity. A chance to build not just products, but a meaningful brand, a sustainable business, and a lifestyle centered around renewal, creativity, and intention. In this way, rustic industrial reclaimed decor is more than a design choice. It is a movement toward gratitude for the past, innovation for the present, and responsibility for the future. Thank you so much for watching Décor Ideas, where creativity meets craftsmanship and nature comes to life through wood. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends and family who love unique home decor and woodcraft inspiration. Your feedback inspires us to create even more amazing ideas for you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next inspiring video. Until then, keep crafting, keep creating, and keep finding beauty in every piece of wood. So stay safe and stay blessed.